Welcome back, Hotelier. Chapter 6, Part 6. Zesty Lentil Spinach Salad. A salad recipe that is full of flavor and makes for the perfect meal on a hot day. Prepare time, 5 minutes. Cook time, 25 minutes. Servings, 4. Ingredients: 1 cup of unprepared black lentils, 3 cups broccoli florets, sliced, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, divided, 4 cloves garlic, minced, 2.5 cups of chicken stock, 8 ounces baby bella mushrooms, sliced half a red onion, peeled and thinly sliced 4 cups baby spinach, roughly sliced, sea salt and freshly cracked black pepper juice and zest of 1 lemon, 1/2 cup feta cheese, crumbled. Directions: 1. Rinse your lentils with water in a strainer. Add the lentils to a pan along with the chicken stock and heat over medium-high heat until it reaches a boil. Decrease heat setting to a simmer and continue to simmer for 25 minutes, occasionally mixing until lentils are tender. Drain and set aside. 2. Add 2 tablespoons of your oil in a large pan over medium-high heat. Add the mushrooms and broccoli, sauté for about 4 minutes. Stir in an additional 1 tablespoon of olive oil, along with garlic and red onion. Add spice along with salt and pepper. Continue to fry for an additional 3 minutes, or until the veggies have reached your desired tenderness. Remove from heat and set aside. 3. In a large mixing bowl, mix the lentils, veggie mix, lemon juice and zest, spinach, feta cheese and remaining 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Toss to mix. 4. Serve warm with extra feta cheese for garnish, and enjoy. Thank you. If you enjoy watching my Zesty Lentil Spinach Salad recipe video, then do like and subscribe my channel. Also do not forget to turn on the notification bell.